Hi everyone, I'm Sheetal Jodhwani, NLP trainer and business coach. And today I'm going to be talking about something very important. I'm going to be talking about how you can boost your confidence level instantly. I'm going to be sharing you 3 hacks on it. Hey, by the way, someone has also said that confidence comes from knowledge. But I say it, knowledge comes from confidence. Let me take back to your childhood memories. Do you remember your school days, especially during those exam times? When you did all your hard work, prepared well for your exams, and you went to, giving an exam. You're writing a paper, and out of the blue, you forget a lot many things that you had prepared for the exam. Why did this happen? You remember one of those stage performances, maybe a drama, maybe a poetry, where you forgot few lines. You prepared well, you did your hard work, you gave your best, but you still forgot on stage. Why did this happen actually? Well, this happened because our mind and body are connected to each other. And if one changes, other also changes. It means you're constantly communicating to yourself. आप खुद से बात कर रहे हैं through verbal and non-verbal signals. Sentences or words or body language से आप खुद से बात कर रहे हैं, right? So imagine before the exam, if you are telling yourself, oh my God, I'm not able to remember anything. I haven't prepared well. I think I'm going blank, right? If your communication is this to yourself, what outcome are you expecting? Now, just before your stage performance, you're shaking, you're completely inconfident, right? And you're not really able to, think positive. What kind of outcome are you expecting? And that's what I mean by mind and body are connected to each other, and if one changes, other also changes. If you give symptoms of stress, pressure, inconfidence, nervousness, unresourcefulness to your mind automatically accepts that idea and you start feeling inconfident. So what do you need to do now in such a situation? All you need to do is tell yourself that you have prepared well, you have done a lot of hard work, you are positive, you are knowledgeable, and you will give your best shot. That's it. And while you say all of those dialogues to yourself, make sure that your body language is in line with your dialogues, right? So your body language should also look positive and accepted. And while you do all of that, you will notice that you start feeling confident and positive immediately. And with that level of confidence, you will start extracting knowledge as far as possible from your subconscious mind. So this was hack number 1. Hack number 2 is take yourself back in the moment which is one of the most confident moment. Right? Visualize a moment when you are very confident. Now this moment can be you're receiving an award, you're receiving a certificate, people are applauding for you for completing something, or it can be as simple as your group or your friends appreciating you for doing something amazing. So take yourself back, visualize that particular moment when you were very confident, and while you visualize that particular moment, observe yourself, observe your body language. What was your body language? What was your posture? Right? How did you feel? What were your facial expressions? What were your dialogues, your internal dialogues, that soft window that pops out all the time? What was that? What were your eyes communicating? How was your posture? And what gestures you were using? Right? Observe everything. How did you really feel? And while you observe all of it, unpack and pack it and make it into a program. And use that program for confidence. And this is the program for confidence. So confidence also comes with appearance. When I wear the dress which fits well to my personality, when I groom a hairstyle in which I am comfortable, which is stylish, which is fashionable, which looks good on me, and which is also pleasing to other people's eyes, which is not an eyeball of everyone, like I'm not attracting everyone's attention, but which is soothing and amicable in the crowd, is something that gives me confidence. In fact, this situation reminds me of a memory. I was a part of this wonderful, beautiful pageantry, and there was this, this beauty queen. She was beautiful, and her dress was also very beautiful. The only thing about this dress was it was very, very, very glittery, and it was just catching everybody's attention. And while everybody was looking at her, she was feeling a little more conscious, and when this happened a little more, she started feeling inconfident, which started reflecting in her personality while introducing herself on stage. So make sure that you wear something which you like, which is comfortable yet stylish on you, but it is also soothing and amicable to people around you, right? Apart from this, confidence is very much inside out. So when you are comfortable with yourself, when you accept others' feedback, not personally, when you trust your journey, your strengths, your qualities and your opinions, when you believe in yourself, when you no longer seek validation from other people, when you don't really fear of what people think of you. Confidence also comes from knowledge, experience and being more self-aware. So one of the key points and takeaway here is focus on your strengths, on your qualities, on your beliefs and your way forward on your journey ahead, and believe that you're work in progress and constantly working towards your self-development. You will automatically start seeing yourself shifting into confident zones. I hope this video was useful, and I will be coming up with more such videos. In fact, if you have any topics that you like me to cover, please mention in the comment section below. And I would also like to share you that I keep conducting webinars on neuro-linguistic programming, which is my area of expertise, which is also about unleashing your potential and gaining self-mastery. In case if you are interested in attending one of the introductory sections on NLP practitioner, there is a link below in the comment box. Do click on the link, register, and we'll see you inside the webinar. Until then, as a customary, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Take care.